Project all numerates and assessment tools. What is Project all numerates? 3 years into the implementation of in-person learning after the pandemic, the Department of Education continues its efforts in ensuring that every Filipino realize his full potential. With the aim of making every Filipino learner enumerate, DepEd launches Project All Numerates in 2021. Project All Numerates or PAN aims to improve the numeracy skills of all learners across grade levels and improve learning outcomes in mathematics. It is being undertaken every school year to monitor the numeracy skills acquired by all learners from their previous year and develop instructional strategies and intervention approaches to obtain and improve learners' level of numeracy. The project aspires to improve the numeracy skills of grade 1 to 7 learners and improve learning outcomes in mathematics with the aid of intervention programs and the best practices that highly promote sustainable quality instruction of the DepEd curriculum. To gauge students' present numeracy skills, the Project All Numerates or PAN assessment tools are used. Associated with PAN is the Rapid Math Assessment or RMA for grades 1 to 3, which focuses on evaluating learners' foundational mathematical skills and understanding in a concise and efficient manner. For the school year 2024-2025, only grades 4 to 7 will take the PAN assessment tools. Grades 1 to 3 will take the RMA and will continue to use the window cards provided by PAN as part of their drill. How to administer the PAN assessment tools. First, the PAN assessment tools are administered to all grades 4 to 7 learners starting the school year 2024-2025. Second, 3 different assessments with the same level of difficulty and competencies will be given the whole year round. A pre-assessment will be given at the beginning of the school year, followed by a mid-year assessment in the middle of the school year, and a post-assessment at the end of the school year to determine if there's an improvement on the numeracy skills of the learners. Furthermore, each assessment has 3 parts. First, basic numeracy facts. Second, reading and writing numbers. And third, word problems and computational skills. Fourth, Part 1 focuses on basic numeracy facts. It consists of 15 items, which is equivalent to 1 point each item. Part 2 focuses on reading and writing numbers. It has 5 items, and each item is given 2 points. Part 3 assesses learners' problem solving and computational skills. It has 5 questions and is given 5 points each item. Fifth, Part 1 Basic Numeracy Facts. It will be answered orally for a 15-minute time allotment. Part 2 is reading and writing. It is both oral and written. This will be answered for a 20-minute time allotment for grades 4 to 6 and 30-minute time allotment for grade 7. And Part 3 is word problems and computational skills. It is a written test to be given a 40-minute time allotment for grades 4 to 6 and 35-minute time allotment for grade 7. Sixth, 1 hour and 20 minutes is the total maximum time allotment for a learner to finish Part 1, 2, and Part 3. The number of minutes or seconds a learner should answer each question, orally or in written form, must be indicated on the assessment tools. Moreover, in the administration of Project All Numerates, students and teachers must always practice academic honesty. While Part 4 focuses on the 4 fundamental operations that are commonly called 4Fs, the main goal of this is to help the learner achieve mastery of the 400 basic facts in the 4 fundamental operations. It consists of 100 items for each operation, which is equivalent to 1 point per item. For this type of test, learners will use a window card. To compute the score for each operation, multiply the total correct answer by 0.10, which equals the total points. This computation is applicable to learners in grade 4 to 7. In administering the 4Fs, grade 4 learners will answer the 100 basic facts level 1 in each operation with different time allotments. Addition has a time allotment of 20 minutes. Subtraction has a time allotment of 25 minutes. While multiplication has a time allotment of 35 minutes and division has a time allotment of 45 minutes. The 4Fs will be answered by every learner within the allotted time. 100 basic facts for each operation will be answered by grade 5 learners with different time allotments. This time, the level of difficulty in addition and subtraction is different from the other 2 operations. In addition and subtraction facts, there are 50% level 1 and 50% level 2. But only level 1 basic facts are available in multiplication and division. The time allotment given to grade 4 learners is the same as that given to grade 5 learners: 20 minutes in addition, 25 minutes in subtraction, while multiplication has a time allotment of 35 minutes. And division has a time allotment of 45 minutes. All learners must answer the 4Fs within the allotted time. Different time allotments will be used by grade 6 learners to answer the 100 basic facts for each operation. Only level 2 basic facts are available in addition and subtraction, while 50% level 1 and 50% of level 2 are available for multiplication and division facts. The time allotment given to grade 6 learners is 20 minutes in addition and 25 minutes subtraction, while multiplication has a time allotment of 40 minutes, and division has a time allotment of 50 minutes. Each learner will answer the 4Fs within the allotted time. Part 4 contains all 100 basic facts level 2 in 4 operations. Students in grade 7 will have 20 minutes to complete the 100 addition and 25 minutes in subtraction facts, 40 minutes to complete the multiplication facts, and 55 minutes to complete the division facts. Every student will complete the 4 Fs in the allocated time. The table shows the process in administering the project all numerates. Students will respond orally to parts 1 and 2A, which will be provided by the teacher on an individual basis, while part 2B, part 3, part 3, and part 4 are written tests that will be given concurrently. Part 1 and Part 2A will be administered over the course of 3 days. Parts 2B and 3 are limited to 1 day, whereas Part 4 has an additional day. The table shows the learner's total score as well as the Part 4 legend. Students are classified as nearly numerate learners if their scores falls between 75 and 84, and as numerate learners if their total score is 85 or higher. Students are considered non-numerate if their score is less than 74. This is patterned in the RMA scoring sheet. Let's talk about the assessment tool. The following technicalities were observed by the math and languages specialists who verified the PAN assessment instruments. Technicalities: paper 8.5 by 13 inches, font style Bookman Old Style, font size 12, margin 1 inch. The project all numerates shall be conducted over the course of 5 days, closely adhering to the timetable provided below. 5-day PAN administration timeline. Day 1 to 3, Part 1 and Part 2A. Day 4, Part 2A and Part 3. Day 5, Part 4, Window Card. The total allotment time of Part 1, 2A, 2B, and 3 is 1 hour and 20 minutes. With this, the strategic use of explainer video played a pivotal role in the hope of the successful administration of Project All Numerates. This video not only simplified complex concepts, making them accessible to a wider audience, but also ensured consistent delivery of information across the region. Through the combined efforts of the Curriculum and Learning Management Division and the dedication of the select teachers, the project will be able to reach and effectively educate students, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for numeracy skills. This collaborative approach, enhanced by the power of visual learning, underscores the importance of innovative tools in achieving educational goals.